Yes. It talagang nakatulong ka. Alam mo kasi, Dino, dami kong realization sa paglalangoy eh.
Mm.
Hindi lang sa paglalangoy yung ano strategy mo, yung
Oh,
tactics mo sa paglalangoy. It will go beyond to your swimming career. It will
mm.
help you in your daily life, in dealing your problems, in dealing everything. It will help
Wow.
you. Minsan yung tipong nakakahon nandito,
Mm.
hindi natin ma-realize after work, oh, ba't ko nagawa ito mo? There's a problems coming in, how I solve it. Paano kayo na-solve yun? It's because siguro, those resiliency, yung
Mm.
perseverance mo in doing open water swimming,